Hello student, good morning. I am very happy that you are watching my videos and sending your homework every day. So thank you for that. Today we are going to learn equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. In previous chapter I have taught you about fraction. What is fraction? Types of fraction. Proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction and mixed fraction. So inside that, today we will learn the equivalent fraction. What is meaning of equivalent? Equivalent means equal parts. Equivalent means equal part. What is fraction? Fraction means to divide or to separate. Okay. Now, see, Amay and Siddhi, I have given one cardboard to Amay and one cardboard to Siddhi to color. Okay. If Amay colors, how many total parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many parts? 6 parts. Now I told Amay to color 4 parts. Okay. So Amay colored 4 parts. So what you will write here? 4 by 4 upon 6. Okay. Now I told Siddhi to color same board of same size to color. Now I have made 3 parts of whole. So what I will write here? 3. Now I told Siddhi that you color 2 parts of that shaded that portion. So Siddhi also colored 2. How many parts Siddhi colored? 2. But as student, you can see same portion is left over. Same portion is left. सिद्धि ने सिर्फ 2 पार्ट्स कलर किया और मैंने कितने पार्ट्स कलर किए? 4. लेकिन बट स्पेस इज रिमेन सेम. दोनों की कितना स्पेस बाकी? दोनों का जो स्पेस बचा है वो क्या है? सेम है. सो अगर हम पार्ट्स को डिवाइड करते हैं ज्यादा पार्ट्स में या होल को ज्यादा पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं तो सी, लेकिन और किसी दूसरे उसको कम पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं लेकिन जो डिवाइड है वो उसका क्वांटिटी क्या है? ज्यादा है. और किसी का इसमें देखो हमने कितने पार्ट्स किए? 6 पार्ट किए. लेकिन in this cardboard I had made 3 parts only. But how many parts she colored? She shaded 2 parts and Amay shaded 4 parts. So this is equal parts. Why you are saying equal? Because same portion is left over. So I hope that you understand what is equivalent fraction or equal. Okay. So this is what is equivalent of 2 and 3. You can multiply by 2 any number to get equivalent fraction. So we will multiply both sides by 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. This is the answer. Okay. Now we will see one more example of equivalent fraction. If I told student to write equivalent of this fraction, okay, so what you will do? मुझे नहीं आता, ऐसे नहीं करना है. See, okay, it is very easy. So you can multiply any number. 1 से लेकर आप 9 तक कोई भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं तो आपको क्या मिलता है? उसका इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. ओके. सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस फ्रैक्शन बाय 2. बोथ साइड और 2. ऊपर 2 नीचे 3. रॉन्ग. ओके. सो मल्टीप्लाई सेम नंबर. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट? 1 2s are 2. 3 2s are 6. This is now again if you will multiply 2, again you will multiply by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. So this is equivalent fraction. So how many equivalent you got? This is equivalent of 1 and 1 upon 3. So what is it? If I told you to write equivalent fraction, then what you have to do? You have to multiply any number from 1 to 9. So you will get a equivalent fraction of that number. Okay. So we will see one more example. Okay. You can do by other method also. So how you have to divide? You have to divide that fraction by same number. So what are multiple of 33 and 66? कौन से टेबल में आता है 33 और 66? दोनों 11 के टेबल में. Then divide by both side by 11. Okay. Now 11 3s are 33. 11 6s are 66. So these are multiple of 33 and 66. So again, this is one more method by dividing. Now again see. 33 and 66 again कौन से टेबल में आता है? सेम 33 के टेबल में आता है. ठीक है. Then 33 1s are 33. 33 2s are 66. So again you got one more equivalent fraction. So see your videos again and again. If there is any confusion, you can watch many times, so you can clear your doubts. Student learn tables daily. It will help you to do calculations fast and quicker. We will see one more example. Write equivalent fraction of this number. So what you will do? You will multiply any number. Okay. 2 multiply by 3 on both sides. डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट? 2 3s are 6, 4 3s are 12. Again multiple of one more multiplication. So you can write 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So these are equivalent fraction of this number 2 by 4. Okay. As you know, upper number is called numerator and lower number is called denominator. Okay. So watch videos and send your homework every day. Thank you.